Balikan ko lang yung ating recommendation po doon sa policies natin regarding loose firearms. Na-mention niyo po, sir, na mag-allocate tayo ng budget, proposal for budget. And dagdag ko na rin, sir, yung proposal natin na kapag may firearm isang tao, access sa kanyang bahay. Pwede po ba nating i-expound yun?
Yes. Number one, 98% of crimes are committed with loose firearms. 98%. Okay? So, it only goes to show, logically, the Robin Padilla law should be repealed. Kung 98% of the crimes are created by loose firearms. So that's number one. Number two, the right, the privilege to own a firearm, to own and possess a firearm, is a privilege again. It is not a right. It is not enshrined in our Constitution. However, the Supreme Court gave a ruling before that it is intrusive upon the nature of the police to search the homes of gun owners. I will appeal that ruling. It will not be done by a search warrant, but rather they should sign a waiver that at any time in 1 day's notice, pwede na silang i-inspect. We do not mean to catch them as criminals. We just want to make sure that their safekeeping of firearms are done in the proper way, na may facility sila. Ganito yan eh. Yung nahuli na tita, na security na police officer na bumaril sa Tacloban, iniwan niya lang doon sa table. Itong nahuli sa Zamboanga, iniwan niya lang sa kotse. What we need is the responsibility of the gun owners to secure their firearms. Ayun lang hingin namin. We will bring it up with Congress and we will take it up with the Supreme Court to test kung pwede namin gawin on a notice. Basta may notice lang kami. We do not think they are criminals. We just think they should be responsible.
Clarification lang dun sa sinasabi mong waiver. Ibig ba sabihin, pag kunwari ako bago mag-a-apply ng LTAP, may waiver na doon na pipirmahan na I am papayag na
Pag ikaw, hindi ka bibigyan ng LTAP, sigurado. Hindi, pero lahat, i-require na namin na lahat ay magbigay ng waiver na pwede namin inspect ang kanilang safekeeping facilities para sa firearms. Actually, this is for the good of the gun owners too eh. Yung mga anak nila, dapat walang access sa baril yan. Dapat naka-lock and key. Dapat may minimum set of standards para sa kanila yan. So it is for them too, not only for us.
Sec, the past 2 days, nagkaroon po ng threats to San Beda College, Alabang, and
Yes.
then Lasal Green Hills sa Mandaluyong. Yung Mandaluyong City Police told
Meron
reporters...
pa isa kahapon sa UP Diliman.
Yung with these threats becoming more prevalent among schools, even private schools, ano po yung mga hakbang na ginagawa ng DILG and ng PNP when it comes sa pag-coordinate po, not just with the DepEd but even with yung private institutions?
Well, number one, yung mga private schools may security guards, so mandatory na buksan ng bag. Yung mga public schools may police presence kami sa labas ng mga eskwelahan at meron kami mga barangay tanod na ilalagay sa loob para i-check yung mga bags nila. So, as of now, ganun yan. Pero nasa plano na namin ni General Nartates na gagawa na kami ng quick reaction force in all regions, in all cities to deal with these kinds of emergencies. That is why gun control is very important. I cannot stress it enough na kailangan ayusin ang batas ukol sa pag-aari ng baril at sa paghuli ng mga illegal na baril.